Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn about the new concept. What is the name? Understanding shapes. Understanding shapes. Okay. What are these? These are clock. Okay. What we observe from this, each clock in different time. Is it? In each clock having the different times. Okay. Any other? Yes, very good. It's a angle, is it? Every day in a clock, in all the types of angles it's had, is it? So, for example, in a clock, what is this angle? Acute angle. Okay. What is this? Yes. Which angle is this? Acute or obtuse angle? Obtuse angle. Straight angle. 90 degrees is there, is it? So, which angle? Right angle. What is this? Obtuse angle. Okay, these are all we have learned in the previous classes. So, what are the types of angles you know? You know that the angles, 7 types of angles they are known, is it? What are there? Before of types of angle, what is the definition of angle? How to make an angle? Two rays. I know everyone known well about the geometrical, basic geometry. Is it? This is a point. This is a line segment. This is a line. This is a ray. This point is called the vertex. This is a line segment. We know that the starting point and ending point. Line, we didn't know the starting point and ending point. Ray, we know the starting point, didn't know the ending point. These are all we have learned in the previous class. Okay. So, what is called by angle? Angle means two rays start from a common point. Okay. So, for example, this is one of the ray. This is another one of the ray. So, common point is denoted O. So, two rays P, Q we have considered. The ray P and Q are start from a common point is called the angle. It's called the angle. Okay. It is denoted by angle is denoted by theta. Angle is denoted by theta. Okay. So, what is the definition? Two rays start from a common vertex is called angle. Okay, what are the types of angle you know? The first one is acute angle. 7 types of angle you know that. Okay, acute angle. Okay, second one obtuse angle. Right angle. Straight angle. Okay, and fifth one reflex angle. And sixth one complete angle. And final one angle at a point. So that is a 0. Okay, angle at a point means 0. Okay, that is called the angle at a point. Point. Okay, so acute angle means the angle is 0 less than 90 degree. Is it 0 less than 90 degree? 0 க்கு மேல இருக்கும் 90 டிகிரிக்கு உள்ள இருக்கிறது தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் acute angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Okay, straight angle means exactly the straight line. Okay, so 180 degree. Reflex angle means more than 180 degree less than 360 degree. Less than 360 degree. Complete angle means 360 degree, the full rotation. Okay, so start from 12 to completely end with the same number 12. Okay, that is called the complete angle. That is called 360 degree. Okay, so angle at a point means 0 degree. Angle at a point means that 0 degree. Okay, very clear the types of angle and angle. Okay, these are all we have learned in the previous year. Today we are going to learn about the new concept, pair of angles. What is that? Pair of angles. Can you observe which are the angles in this picture? What is this? This is the acute angle. From this diagram, which angle? Obtuse angle. Here, straight angle. Re-observe from this diagram. What is this? 90 degree, is it? So, right angle. That one is obtuse angle. Okay, I hope you are understood this concept. Okay, now move to the next one, the pair of angles. These are all the single angles, is it? Now we are learn about the pair. Pair means two. Okay, pair of angles. First one, complementary. Complementary angle. Okay, and second one, supplementary angle. Okay, third one, adjacent angles. Or linear pair after move to the adjacent. Okay, so linear pair. Adjacent angles. And fifth one, opposite angles. Okay, so newly we have learned about these 5 types of angles. Okay, what are the complementary angle, supplementary angle, linear pair, adjacent angle and opposite angle. Okay, see the first one, complementary angle. Okay, the first one, complementary. So complementary angle, angle means sum of two adjacent angles is 90 degree. Sum of two adjacent angles. Before of learning the complementary angle, first we have learned about adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means see this diagram. O is a common point. Okay, PQR. Okay, here how many angles are there? 2 angles are there. Is it 2 or 3 angles? 3 angles. What are there? R, O, Q, and then angle R, O, Q, and next one Q, O, P, and then the sum of these 2 angles, is it? Sum of these 2 angles, we get the angle ROP. ROP. Okay. So totally we have observed from this diagram 2 only. Okay. Sum of these 2 adjacent angles, we get the angle ROP. Okay. Here, why do you say this adjacent angle? It having the common ray for the both angles. Which one is common ray? OQ is a common ray for the angle ROQ and POQ. Okay, ரெண்டுக்கும் common angle என்ன, common ray என்னமா இருக்கு? OQ. So this type of angles are called adjacent angles. It's called the adjacent angles. So adjacent angles means 2 angles with the same vertex and common ray. Okay, one arm in common, okay, and other 2 arms are opposite to the common. Other 2 arms are lying on the opposite side of the common ray. Okay, that is called the adjacent angles. Okay, now see the complementary angles. Complementary angles means 2 the sum of 2. Okay, the sum of 2 adjacent angles is 90 degree. Which one? 90 degree. It is called complementary angle. So 90 degree, for example, degree, here 30 degree. Okay. Okay, sum of these 2 angles 90 degree. These 2 angles are adjacent angles. அடுத்தடுத்து இருக்கிறது தான் adjacent. Okay, so adjacent angles. So sum of 2 adjacent angle is 90 degree. Then the angle is called by supplementary angles. Sorry, complementary angles, called by complementary angles. Okay, and second one, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. The sum of 2 adjacent angles is 180 degree. Is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. See the diagram. Okay, so straight line, is it? Straight line also, you know that straight line having the 180 degree. Okay, so linear pair of the straight line is also having the 180 degree. Okay, so supplementary angles means the sum of 2 angles. So sum of 2 adjacent angles is what are there here? 0, O, okay, P, Q, R. So what are the angles? POQ and QOR. R. Okay, sum of these two angles is two angles. Okay, sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angle. And next to one, adjacent angle. And one more, the supplementary angle is also called by linear pair of angle. Okay, the third, the linear. So linear pair nalo supplementary angle nalo ஒரே meaning தான் வரும். Okay வா? So linear pair means two adjacent sides of the supplementary angles. Is it? Two adjacent supplementary angles. Two adjacent supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Okay, supplementary angles form a linear pair. This one. Okay, the same one. Okay, so linear means straight line. Linear means straight line. Okay, so here the straight line PO, so ROP. Okay, POR is a line. Okay, that is called the linear. It having the two adjacent angles. It's having the values, the sum of the values is 180. So the linear pair means two adjacent அடுத்தடுத்து ரெண்டு angles இருக்கு. Supplementary angles, the sum of their values, sum of their angles is 180 degree, then it is called the linear pair. Okay, so supplementary angle is also called the linear pair of angles. Okay, and next fourth one, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means two angles with the same vertex. Two angles with the same vertex and a common arm. Common arm. What is that? OQ. OQ is a common for the angle ROQ and QOP. Okay, these two angles having the common arm. Okay, so two angles with the same vertex and a common arm. Okay, common arm, and the other arms, what are there? P and R. Okay, and the other arms are lying opposites to common arm. Common armக்கு opposite directionல remaining இருக்கிற ரெண்டு arm இருக்கும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is called the adjacent angles. That is called the adjacent angles. That is the diagram for adjacent angles. Okay, so adjacent angles means two angles with the same vertex and common arm, and the other arms are lying opposite to the common arm. Okay, that is called the adjacent angle. That is called the adjacent angles. Okay, and next final one, opposite, vertically opposite angles or opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Fifth one, vertically opposite angles. Okay, so vertically opposite angles means two lines are intersecting at the point, at the same point. Okay, intersect at the point, then it make a two pair of opposite angles. It's make a two pair of opposite angles are make it. Okay, see here two lines, here the line L M. Okay, intersect the line L and M, it make a four angles. So here opposite angles. Okay, what are the opposite angles here? Angle 1, angle 2. This is angle 3, angle 4. Here what are the angles are opposite? Angle 1 and angle 2 are the opposite angles, vertically opposite. Okay, and then angle 3 and 4 is called the vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles means when two lines are intersecting, at each other at a point, two lines are intersecting each other at a point, the two pair angles formed. Okay, two pair of this one. Okay, two pair of angles formed. Okay, without any common arm. Okay, without any common arm. That is called the vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles means adjacent angle means it having the common arm. Okay, without common arm, that is called the vertically opposite angles. Two lines are intersecting each other at the any one of the point. It make a pair of opposite angles. Okay, it has no common arm. Okay, adu enna irukaduma adula? No common arm. That is called the vertically opposite angles. Now see the summary of the angles. Okay, summary of the angles. Okay, so just to summarize the angles, the first one is complementary angles. Complementary angles means sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, sum of two angles is 180 degree. Sorry, this complementary angles. Complementary angle means the sum of two adjacent angles is 90 degree. Sum of two adjacent angles 90 degree, that is called the complementary angle. And second one, supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. 180 degree is called the supplementary angle. And next one, adjacent angles. Adjacent angle means Here the summary is given. Third one is adjacent angle. Okay. So adjacent angle means it's having the common vertex and common arm. Other two arms are opposite to the common arm. Is it? That is called the adjacent angles. Okay. And fourth one is linear pair. Okay. Linear pair. Linear pair means two adjacent supplementary angles form a linear pair. Okay. So supplementary angles is also called the linear pair. And final one, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle means two lines are intersect at each other at the point. Okay. And then it form a two pairs of opposite angles. Two pair of opposite angles. It's not having the common arm. It's not having a common arm. That is called the vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So today we have learned about this concept. Okay. I hope you all understood this concept. Now move to the example problems. Example 1. Find the complement of the angle 72 degree. Find the complement of an angle. Complementary angle means sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So one angle is given, you have to find out the another one. See, given one angle is 72 degree. Let the complementary of 72 degree is x. Okay. Xங்கிறது 72 உடைய காம்ப்ளிமெண்ட்ரின்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So that is sum of two angles, is it? Sum of two angles. So x plus 72 is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Here write complementary angle. Okay. Now x equal to 90 degree minus 72 degree. So 18. So 18 is a complementary angle of 72. And second one, find the supplementary angle of 122. Easiest one. Okay. Two angles are supplementary, is it? So let this supplementary supplement of 122 be x. Okay. Then x plus 122 degree is equal to 180. Here supplementary angle is 180 degree, or sum of two angles 180 degree. Here also you have right sum of two angle is 90 degree. That is complementary. Here also the sum of two angle is 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 122 degree. Subtract. So x equal to 58 degree. And example 3. Name all the pair of adjacent angles in the following figure. Here one of the figure is given. B, C, D. Okay, right. So we have write the adjacent pair of adjacent angles. Pair of adjacent angles. Okay, so AOB and start from here. AOB adjacent angles. Solutions. First AOB and this one and this one. So BOC one pair. Okay, and next one BOC and COD. Okay, BOC and COD. Okay, and next BOC COD is completed, is it? And AOB and BOC. Listen. Next pair, this one and this one. Okay. Next, I will write in the different color. Okay. So angle AOD is equal to BOD. BOD. And next BOC and COD already written. Is it BOC and COD completed? And one more. Yes, AOC, this one. Okay, AOC, one angle. Okay, and COD, angle AOC and COD. Okay, totally 4 pair of adjacent angles from this diagram. Okay, now move to the example 4. Find the value of x in the following figure. Example 4. Okay, so one of the figure is given. Or you identify what is the supplementary angle or straight angle. Okay, that is a linear pair. Okay, that is a linear pair. We have find out the x value. So solution, sum of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, the sum of two angle is supplementary. Okay, that is 3x. That is the angle name is given. It's not given. So we have consider OPQR. Okay, so angle ROQ plus angle QOP is equal to 180 degree. Here supplementary angles are 180 degree. Okay, so value was 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So 5x equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 36 is it? 36 degree. Right, that's it. So hence x value was 36. Now see the exercise 9.1. The first 4 are homework. Okay, so very easiest one. Okay, right. Now move to the 5th and 6th problems. Remaining 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th problems now doing. Okay, 9.1. Okay, the 5th problem. Then name the adjacent angles in the following figures. Okay, I will do the one problem. B1 I will do. Okay, A1 is homework. Okay, adjacent. So PO which first write பண்ணுவோம். Okay, so POQ, POQ. Okay, and next POQ and QOR. Okay, and next POR and POR and ROS. ROS. Okay, and then POS. And other angles, right. PO or ROS and POQ and this one QOS. Okay, POQ and QOS. QOS. The first section is complete. Okay, right. And next one, what are the remains? These two. இதை வச்சு எல்லாமே பேஸ் பண்ணி எழுதிட்டோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரிமைனிங் இருக்குது என்னது? QOR. ஓகே, ஆங்கிள் QOR and ROS. Okay, Amma? That's all. Okay, right. And next on A1 is homework, 6th problem. Linear pair of, name the linear pairs. Linear pairs means adjacent angles is 180 degree. Adjacent angles are 180 degree means adjacent angles are supplementary, is it? So see here the diagram. P, Q, R, S, intersecting at the pointers. Okay, this is the one of the linear. Okay, here one of the angle, here one of the angle. First we have write that. Okay, these are all solution. Okay, so first we have write this. So angle ROP and linear pairs only we have write. Okay, and another one and POS. The first linear. Okay, second we have see this consider. Okay, here POS and SOQ. Okay, do you understand? Okay, ma? Alright, and next we have consider this line. It having the two pair of adjacent angles. What are there? SOQ and QOR. Okay, these are all the linear pair of angles. Okay, now see the seventh one. The measure of one angle is given in the following figure. Find all the other angles. So one angle is given, you have to find out the remaining all the angles. Okay, using the pair of angles. Okay, using the pair of angles. Okay, the first one, A 97 is given. So D, B, C, A. So we have find out only this one. Which property we have applied? We have using the vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles we have using. Okay, so a property. How can you write? The angle A intersecting at O we have consider. So AOC is equal to angle DOB equal to 97 degree. Since vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, that's it. And B1 also find all the other angles. So next one of the diagram is give it like this. Okay, here the angle is 14 degree. Okay, the Q, S or P. So it is denoted O. So angle ROP is equal to angle QOS equal to 14 degree. Here vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, right. Now move to the eighth one. Find the value of x in the following figure. Eighth one. First two homework. Okay, and now see, do the C problem. X plus 10 degree, here 2x plus 20 degree is given. So sum of two angle is 180 degree. So we have using the linear pair formula. Okay, so the sum of adjacent angle is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. Sum of that x plus 10 degree plus 2x plus 20 degree is equal to 180. Within a bracket linear pair. Okay, now arrange the like terms. So 3x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 3x equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree equal to 150 degree. So x equal to 50 degree. X equal to 50 degree. Okay. And next D and E problems. (58 degree) x 72 degree. Here we have use which formula? Supplementary angle means sum of two only. Here three angles are there. 1, 2, 3 angles are there. So we have using the straight line. Okay. So straight line having the 180 degrees. Straight line having the 180 degree. Okay. So the sum of the angles, sum of adjacent is equal to 180 degree. So 58 degree plus x plus 72 degree equal to 180 degree. Here straight line having 180 degree. Okay, so add this x plus, add these two values, 10, 1, 6 plus 7, 13 equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree minus 130 is equal to 50 degree. So x is equal to 50 degree. And last one, E problem. It's 90 degree, x, 2x, 3x. Okay, so we have using the complete angle. Complete angle is 360 degree. Okay, so sum of the adjacent angle is equal to 360 degree. The sum of adjacent angles equal to 360 degree. Why? Complete angle. Complete angle. Okay. So add the angles 2x plus 3x plus 90 plus x equal to 360. Okay. So 5, 6x is equal to 360 minus 90. So 90, 0, 6, 16. Okay, 16 minus 9, 7, 2, 70. So 6x equal to 270. So x equal to 270 by 6. 6 4s are 6 5s are 20, 6 7s are 28. So 6 4s are 24, remaining 3 30, 6 5s are. Okay, so angle is 45 degree. So x value is 45 degree. The homeworks. Exercise 9.1. 1 to 4, 5A,